Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my July Boxycharm unboxing and try on per usual. Lately I've been doing Boxycharm unboxings like so late in the month, like it's the 24th and July is pretty much over. Just go ahead and get into it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, this is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month and you get 4 to 5 full-size products in it every single month. And lately they really have been like stepping up their game. These boxes have been so good lately, and it's always like over $100 worth of stuff. Like it's not like the subscriptions that are like travel size stuff, like it's actually full-size stuff that you'll use, and it's actually good brands too. Let's go ahead and get into it. This box theme is road tripping. So yeah, the first thing in this month's box is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So my eyes aren't too puffy today. Usually they are. This retails for $42. It says goodbye to puffy eyes, blah blah blah. Formulated with bio something technology, peptides, guarantee visibly reduce under eye bags and dark circles. We will see about that. Okay, this feels weird. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it. It feels like I'm supposed to shake it. Doesn't say anything, but I shook it a little bit. She's thick and it's orange. So it comes out orange, almost like a corrector almost. Maybe that will like take the darkness away. So let's see, it's thick. I'm gonna pat it on under my eyes. I feel like, does it leave a little, it leaves like a hint of an orange tint. Feels fine. I don't really see too much like depuffing action here. I don't know how much of a difference this will make, but we will see once. Oh, she's a little sticky. She's a little sticky. I feel like on the outside my fingers feel sticky, so that's weird. Don't really see too much depuffing. It feels kind of cooling though, so let's just go ahead and move on. Next thing that we have in this month's box is this palette right here. It is from Crown Pro. This is what it looks like. It has some browns, some reds, you know, my kind of colors. Retails for $29.99. I'm gonna go into this palette and I'm just gonna take this shade right here and just put that in my crease. There is a mirror in this palette too, which is nice. It is a nice mirror. So let's just put that in there. I hate using the mirrors from palettes. I really do. I feel like I can't, maybe because I'm blind. I literally can't see if I'm like not up close to my face. Okay, that color's nice. Not that pigmented, but it's nice. I'm gonna take this shade right here. Pretty much do the same thing. I feel like these colors like aren't the most pigmented shadows, because I feel like the shadow in the pan looks a lot darker than like what's going on. You definitely have to build it up, but it's building up fine. Like it's blending out at least. And I would wish it was a little bit more pigmented, but at least it's blending out, you know? It's not the end of the world. I don't mind building up my shadows as long as like it eventually gets to the color that it's supposed to be and doesn't take too long to build it up. I'm gonna go in with this like dark burgundy shade right here and see how that looks. Also gonna put that in my crease. But a little bit lower so it's not like overpowering the other shades. I'm taking like a lot of shadow on my brush too, and I wish it was a little bit deeper, but there's no fallout. A little bit, not really though, like hardly anything at all. Back with the second shade that we used to kind of blend everything together. Go in with this shade over here, which is like a copper, reddish copper color. Let me swatch it. So it swatches nice. So let's see how it goes on with a brush, and I'll see if it needs some help. So I'm applying it with a brush. Oh, it goes on really nice with a brush. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Spray it and see how that looks. Let's see how that looks wet. Ooh, it makes it really intense wet. It's not like the most intense like metallic or anything, but it's definitely pretty. Like, it looks nice. It doesn't look like crap or anything, you know? It's coming off a little bit more orange on camera, but it looks nice. Went ahead and did the rest of my face really quick. And now I'm gonna finish up. I forgot what I was gonna do. I'm gonna finish up my lower lash line. I actually like this eye look. Like, I'm not mad at it. Taking these two shades right here, I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. Ow, I just stabbed my eye. Kind of connecting it up here to give me that like look. Your eyes look hella dry. I don't know if it's because of that like eye depuffer thing, but my under eyes look super dry. And they felt really dry too. Like, before I did my like face makeup, I like felt my under eye really quick and it felt like really dry. So I don't really like that. I already have dry under eyes as it is, so I don't really need anything to make them even drier. Wow, another reddish smoky eye from KATRINA. Revolutionary. Next thing in the box, we have this little blush right here. This is from Note. I actually have tried some stuff from Note before and I really do like their stuff. It's in this little compact. And it's such a pretty color. These are like my favorite kind of blushes. It was for $11.99, which is not bad at all. Go ahead, take some of that. Okay, she's pigmented. Let's kind of just blend that away really quick. Tap off the excess. And I'm so heavy-handed with blush already, so that's great. I like it. I like this color. It is a matte blush. I don't really like matte blushes that much, but it's pretty. I prefer like a shimmery blush, but this one's really pretty, so it's fine. So this is also in the box. This is from Cella. It's their Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I don't really like eyebrow creams or pomades or anything, and especially the way I've been doing my eyebrows lately, I've been doing them like a lot lighter, more fluffy and bushy. I always just use pencil as it is. I don't really like dip brow or anything like that, so I didn't use this, but I have tried stuff from Cella before. I actually used to use their eyebrow pencil a lot, but I don't really like eyebrow creams or anything. But this retails for $26, and it just has like the cream on the bottom and then like the brush over here. And also the color looked a little too cool tone for my brows. It looked almost kind of gray, so I don't know. I didn't use that today. But next thing in the box, and I think this is the last thing actually, yeah. The last thing in the box is from Wander Beauty, and this is their Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and it retails for $24. It says it's a black and intensely glossy mascara. Volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes, and has gentle ingredients. So let's try it out. Brush is like a standard brush. It's a little curved, kind of in like a, it looks like a spine. Is that like a weird description? So let's see. I feel like this is not doing anything for my lashes whatsoever. This eye, because this is actually my good eye for mascara. Okay, it's not bad. I don't think it like really volumizes them that much though. It kind of just makes them look, I don't know, like fluffy, I guess. It's okay. I don't think I would pay $24 for this though. Like, it definitely makes my lashes look a little bit nicer than they do like without mascara, obviously. And I've tried worse mascaras, but I don't think this really does anything too crazy. I don't think it volumized them that much. I personally like my Kokie mascara more. I'm actually going to use that instead because I don't really like that. Let me see. Let me show you like the difference. Like, this one makes them really volumized, black, like longer. You could just see like how much that made a difference. And this mascara is like $7, $6. I don't even know how much that made a difference. And yeah, like that's like the only thing that I don't like about it. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup and then I will come back to round everything up. Okay, so I just went ahead and just finished up my makeup. This looks like all the other 9,000 looks that I do all the time, but it's fine. So let me add everything up from this month's box, and I'm dropping everything, and see how much all of it is worth. This box was worth $133.98, which is pretty good. Like I said, you only pay $21 for the entire box. I don't think I will be using that Dr. Brandt thing again. I did not like it. My under eyes look really, really dry, and I don't think it really did anything. I didn't really see a difference, so that I don't like it. I actually really like the eyeshadow palette. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I saw like mixed things about this palette. Like I saw someone say that they didn't like it, and then I see people be like, it's whatever. It's not the best eyeshadow palette I've ever used, but I do this look so often that I think I might probably be using this palette again, because this is a look that I do all the time, and I like the way that this look came out from this palette. So, and I like it. I think it's good, like the look that I came up with, because I do this look pretty much like every single day. Mascara I've used better. I did like the blush though. The blush is really pretty. I think it tied this look together really well. And the eyebrow thing is whatever. By the way, my lipstick, if anyone is wondering, is Stud from ColourPop. It's an ultra satin lip, and it's bomb, and I think it made this look really pretty. If you guys do want to sign up for Boxycharm yourself, I will have a link down below to sign up. It is an affiliate link, and I do get like the smallest commission from it, but if you guys don't feel comfortable using affiliate links and stuff, you could just go to boxycharm.com and sign up there. If you guys do use my affiliate link, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. By the way, also thank you guys so much for all the love on my past couple of videos. Like, you guys have been killing it. I love you guys so much. I've just been feeling like really motivated lately and stuff, so thank you guys for that. And yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.